1 tablespoon of this can replace a ton of manure. No more spending money on expensive plant products. This mixture can replace several different fertilizers, and it costs almost nothing. It gives amazing results in the garden. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar to a bowl. Sugar boosts the amount of organic matter and encourages the growth of beneficial soil microbes. Then, add 3 teaspoons of potato starch. It's a natural source of potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, key nutrients for plant growth. Next, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. It has antifungal properties, helps plants absorb nutrients, and protects them from disease. Pour the mix into a blender. Add 1 quart of cold water and blend thoroughly until the liquid is smooth and uniform. Measure out 1 cup of the mixture and dilute it in about 2.5 gallons of water. This fertilizer is perfect for watering vegetables, flowers, and other plants. Your garden will soon burst with color and look absolutely stunning. Cheap, natural, and effective. Nourishing smoothie for peonies and hydrangeas. Your garden will overflow with blooms, and it's made from ingredients you usually throw away. The first ingredient, banana peels. They're a natural elixir packed with everything your flowers need to grow strong and healthy. They boost blooming and plant immunity. Peel 2 bananas and toss the peels into a blender. Next, add eggshells, full of calcium, magnesium, and potassium to support root development and strengthen stems. Throw in a few shells. Now add coffee grounds, a real treat for plants. Rich in nitrogen, they promote leafy growth and improve soil structure. Add 5 tablespoons of dried grounds to the blender. Pour in 1 liter of water to bring everything together. Blend for about 2 minutes until smooth. You've just made an all-natural, eco-friendly liquid fertilizer. Store it in an airtight container. Water your peonies and hydrangeas with it once a week, and they'll reward you with lush, vibrant blooms. It's like a home spa treatment for your garden. Just 1 cup is all it takes, and your orchid will bloom more abundantly than ever before. Forget chemical fertilizers. This natural homemade solution will bring your orchids and other houseplants back to life. To make the fertilizer, you need an ingredient many people already have in their kitchen pantry: lentils. They're rich in phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and vitamins C, B6, A, and K. Everything your plants need to grow strong and healthy. Start by adding 3 tablespoons of lentils to a container. Pour in about 1 liter, roughly 4 cups, of warm water. Let the mixture sit for a few hours. Then strain it through a sieve into another container. Use this liquid fertilizer once a week. To prepare a second version, put 3 tablespoons of lentils into a blender and grind them into a fine powder. This amount is enough for several pots. Sprinkle a small amount of the powder onto the surface of the soil and gently mix it in. The nutrients will release slowly and support your orchid's growth over time. You can repeat the treatment after 2 weeks. This natural fertilizer also works wonders for other houseplants, helping them stay healthy, strong, and full of vibrant blooms. Nourishing smoothie for peonies and hydrangeas. Your garden will overflow with blooms, and it's made from ingredients you usually throw away. The first ingredient, banana peels. They're a natural elixir packed with everything your flowers need to grow strong and healthy. They boost blooming and plant immunity. Peel 2 bananas and toss the peels into a blender. Next, add eggshells, full of calcium, magnesium, and potassium to support root development and strengthen stems. Throw in a few shells. Now add coffee grounds, a real treat for plants. Rich in nitrogen, they promote leafy growth and improve soil structure. Add 5 tablespoons of dried grounds to the blender. Pour in 1 liter of water to bring everything together. Blend for about 2 minutes until smooth. You've just made an all-natural, eco-friendly liquid fertilizer. Store it in an airtight container. Water your peonies and hydrangeas with it once a week, and they'll reward you with lush, vibrant blooms. It's like a home spa treatment for your garden. This fertilizer costs nothing, and your plants will reward you with lush blooms. This homemade plant tonic works wonders. The key to beautiful plants is regular care and proper feeding. Plants need nutrients to grow strong and bloom abundantly. Start by preparing a large bowl and a strainer. Pour in about 8 ounces of dry rice. White, unpolished rice works best. Rice contains starch, magnesium, iron, potassium, and zinc, all the essentials your plants need. Add about 4 cups of cold water, just enough to fully cover the rice. Stir it well by hand and let it sit for about 15 minutes. During this time, the rice will release its valuable nutrients into the water. Remove the strainer. The water should look slightly cloudy. That's a sign it contains dissolved minerals. Pour the rice water into a container that makes watering easy. This fertilizer works for all types of plants. Use it once a week. You'll notice the difference quickly. Your plants will become healthy and full, natural, effective, and completely free. First, feeding for cucumbers. There's no better fertilizer than this. It's a natural nutrient boost that will make your cucumbers green, firm, and full of flavor. Start by grinding up a few eggshells, about 5. Eggshells are rich in calcium, which strengthens plant cell walls and protects them from disease. Pour half a liter of water into a tall container and add the crushed shells. Next up, yeast. It's a natural source of B vitamins and microorganisms that stimulate root growth. Add about 5 grams of dry yeast. To activate the yeast and boost fermentation, add a tablespoon of sugar. It's their food and helps produce beneficial compounds. Mix everything well and let it sit for a bit. Then pour the mixture into a large jar and add 1 liter of water. Dilution is key to making it plant safe. Your fertilizer is ready. Water your cucumbers with it every 2 weeks, at the base of the plant, not on the leaves. After the first use, you'll notice greener leaves and quicker fruit development. All you need is to water your peppers with this solution once, and they'll grow like crazy. This simple fertilizer will provide the plant with all the essential nutrients, and you'll see the results in no time. Prepare a quart jar and pour in 17 ounces of warm water, but not hot. Add 1 tablespoon of dried yeast. Thanks to its vitamins and minerals, yeast helps the plant's health, accelerating their growth. Stir the water. Sugar provides energy to the plants, supporting metabolic processes and photosynthesis. It will act as an activator, stimulating the plants to grow faster and be healthier. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir, close the jar, and set it in a warm, dark place for 2 hours. After that, prepare a larger bucket with warm water. Pour in the yeast solution and mix everything together. You'll get a concentrated fertilizer for watering. This solution will be enough for watering 10 plants, 1 liter for each. You'll provide the peppers with all the nutrients they need and stimulate them to grow. Use the fertilizer daily if needed. They'll fruit like never before. Just 1 teaspoon is enough to bring even the weakest orchid back to life and make it bloom again. Even an orchid with just 1 healthy leaf still has a chance. Instead of tossing it out, give it a second life. Start by removing any yellow leaves and rotten roots, then prepare a simple homemade tonic. Chop 4 cloves of garlic. Orchids love this natural boost. Place the garlic in a jar and add about 4 cups of warm water. Stir in 1 teaspoon of honey, which helps protect the plant from pathogens. Close the jar and let the mixture sit for about 4 hours. Then strain it into a larger container and add another 4 cups of clean water. Place your orchid in a bowl and pour the diluted mixture over it. Let it soak for about 20 minutes. Afterward, plant the orchid in a pot and water it with the same mixture. Clean the leaves and place it in a quiet spot. Soon, you'll see new roots. You can also use the leftover water to feed or wipe other orchids. Repeat this treatment every few weeks. Your orchids will be strong, healthy, and full of blooms.